On Android phones, sometimes you'll be using earphones. In Android phones, there's a feature where you can adjust the volume according to your liking. Sometimes these settings are based on your age. But if you don't want that and you want a custom preset, you can set that as well. In this video, we'll be telling you how to set this custom preset. For this, open Settings. When you open Settings and scroll down, you can see one option, Sound and Vibration. According to brands, there will be some changes. I'm using a Poco branded phone. In Poco branded phones and Redmi branded phones, settings looks like this. Anyways, click on this. Sometimes it will be just sound, and when you scroll down, you can see the sound effects option. Click on sound effects. When you click on that, here you can see the volume adjustment option. And the thing is, you need to connect a headset, then only you can see this option. And according to brands, there will be some changes. Anyway, select this or similar options. And when you select it, here you can see volume adjustment. Make sure it's turned on. After that, click on Add Custom Preset. When you click on that, here you can see Start Test. Just click on this, and after that, put your earphone in your ear, and here you can hear a voice. If you're able to hear that voice, click on Yes, or if you're not able to hear that voice, click on No. So, likewise, for each one you should select Yes or No, and after some time, that will be completed. And when that is completed, that preset will be added like this. After this, here you can change to this preset. So, this way, you can easily set this custom preset. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.